Hey everybody, Gears here. It's probably been about 4 or 5 days since I shot the last video I was here, but overall it's coming on like 2 weeks since I've gotten any meaningful work done. So I'm hoping I can use an hour or so today to at least do a little cleanup on that mold there. But over here I have felt so bad about this for so long now. But one thing I am glad for is that I left this blade out, and it shows me exactly how much rust I should be able to find when I start looking over the body here. The other side is nice and clean. That side is about 2 weeks worth of exposure. Granted, the steel on the door is going to be a little different. Looks like that might be a little bit of brown there. And then looking over this here, maybe there's a little there, and definitely some here, and a little there. So I'm going to sand all that down. I'll put some anti-rust juice converter on there and let that sit until I'm ready to prime this, because I'm out of primer now. And then I'll sand it all down, primer it, and then hopefully it'll be okay. I've definitely neglected this thing overall, but I am glad for this little canary in a coal mine. So let me see what I can do over the next half hour. With about 40 minutes of scrubbing, one little pad there, and I just started a second one here. It's going to be a lot. I mostly worked on this side. You still see some patches here and there, some darkest patches. That's still wax that needs to go. I didn't even touch the inside turret there. Over here, with the second sponge, I started to pull some of that paint damage up that got pulled, and that actually goes several layers deep. That's going to be an effort, and that's a good example. So this is not wax, that is wax, and this is all wax too. This is not wax because I did a little sanding there, and I can sort of see the difference. It's kind of tough with this light. But yeah, this could be a few hours alone, and that's about all I can do for today. So, thanks for watching. See ya.